makeup, and so is he.
Hi, I'm Constance.
Hockey players! Hockey players! Whoa, hi there.
Hi there, number 2. I used to be a number 2, too.
I went number 2. Get it? Go, people, go!
Go, now, let's go!
Yeah, there was no public skate tonight. Go, person!
I like this room.
I haven't been in this room.
I've been in the dressing rooms, too, and all that.
Pants on the ground, pants on the ground. This is your fun. Yeah, it is. Oh God, oh God.
She almost hit me. Wait.
That was pretty creepifying. Let's take this ball down. That one kind of... Oh my God, how cool would it be if we could go home on that net?
Oh, that'd be
Awesome.
scary, but then...
We should climb on that tube. I used to think you could go on those and like I jumped on them or something. Oh well.
Oh my gosh. So it's...
Oh, puck. Get it, goalie. Oh, God.
Run for it. I mean, skate for a skate.
Shut up. This is outside. Then we can't go. No.
This is Freewood.
I know. And there's nothing for a dime. Fast. He's speedy. He's quite... Oh. Oh, God. Oh, God. Hi.
I can do that.
Puck.
Run. I'm going to skate.
Skate. People skate.
Come on, Mallard. We're winning. We're winning.
Cool. Oh, God.
Oh. Did you see that? They hit it. He caught it. And he was like, oh.
Okay. Shaylee and wow, hello there. Shaylee Rainbow Angston. Huh. We should do something. We should. Oh, hello.
Really grab it.
Hi there. Have you ever been to basketball hockey game? Oh, Shiz.
Isn't this an actual Mallard hockey game?
Whoa.
Yeah.
Like. Hi. Oh, God.
Well, whoever our team is, they're winning.
Pants on the ground, pants on the ground. Looking like a fool with his pants on the ground. We should act like hillbillies and
The
things.
white ones are our team.
Nuh-uh.
Because they're sitting at home.
Oh. That is our team. Apparently. Ow! Ah! You slipped out of my ear.
Oh.
He just hit us. How did it good? You could hide there.
What
Okay.
exact? What team exact is this exact?
Oh, they fell. Fell. That was where the disaster happened. Shayla. Hi. We need to do something. We're gonna do something. Look, that's me.
That's me.
That's this lady.
No, that's Shaylee.
Uh-oh, they're having like a thing off. Pucky!
Oh. Oh, shoot. Right where I meant to.
Grafika. Shaylee Engstrom, come over here. Being a strawberry nugget. What do you want to do? I want to go running around or something and play tag or hide and seek or something. Hold up.
Those are the
Pants on the ground, pants on the ground. Looking like a fool. Oh, they just hit him.
See, that's the mallards, because it's mallards. Wait, doesn't it?
No.
Not the mallards.
It says north something. North something. So it's not us.
Oh, Kiwani, I think.
Hey, what's up, buddy? Oh, God. Oh,
Shoot, that would hurt if it went right through. And what's our team?
Ooh. Oh, snap. He just fell.
Oh, snap.
I want to see a fight. God damn it.
Dude, that's going to be on YouTube.
I saw you walk away, you dumb butt.
That was. I'm sorry, that's just really funny.
Great job.
Oh, you look to show you.
I knew you were going to do that time.
You're not.
Did you? I felt the sense of you being there, so.